Too many attempts? Please try again later. Message on Telegram. Don't worry, we've got solutions you need. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to fix the issue and get you back on Telegram without any trouble. Let's dive right in. Solution 1. Wait it out. Telegram imposes this restriction to prevent abuse, so waiting a few hours or even a day should resolve the issue. Solution 2. Clear Telegram apps, cache, and data. Press and hold on Telegram app icon. Next, press I icon or app info. After that, select Manage Space. Next, tap Clear Cache. Then tap Clear Cache again from the pop-up. Solution 3. Uninstall the application and reinstall it. Press and hold on Telegram app icon. Then tap on Uninstall. Now tap OK to confirm from the pop-up. After that, go to Play Store, then download and reinstall the app again. Solution 4. Contact Telegram support. Open the Chrome browser app on your phone. Type Telegram support on the search bar. Or go to this link. Then describe your problem. For example, showing too many attempts while logging. And enter your email and phone number using country code according to the on-screen instructions. Finally, tap Submit button. Then, the support team will contact you through email or the given phone number. After that, you should get back to your hacked account within 48 hours. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching.